Looking so happy. If it smells like cologne, leave it alone. Oh my god, this smells so good. Natis siya! Naubos ng cologne mo kaka-spray. Ginawa mo ng alcohol. That's too much. Yes, that's me when I'm putting cologne or perfume. I spray like because I did not smell my own. I feel like, oh my gosh, I I did not smell my own. But I'm going out. When I'm going out, oh my gosh, lots of people there outside. Oh, your smell smells so good. And then I said, oh, really? It smells so good. I thought it's not. So that's it. That's why I'm spray a cologne or a perfume like the front and the back. Oh, butik na maubos, oh. Please show your churro. Punta lang ako sa buong talaga to. Para ka, anong gawin mo dyan? Sabihin mo pa talaga sa akin. Rodolfo Soto, hello. Wala mo ko kasabot ani oy. Thank you, James. Sumakit yung ulo ko. Hinahanap yata ito ng ibang ulo. Hinahanap ng ibang ulo. Buwang eh. Beautiful cat. Hi, Mr. Jobson Oliveira. Wasanta, hello. Kuya ba po mga pangalan ninyo? Ay! Mag-lipstick sa ako, babe.